First day of resumption 2024, and I don't know if I should be happy or sad. This is February and this is the second half of the first semester. This is the first time we're resuming school this year. I finally chose a room now, and you guys don't even want to know the story behind this room. After several check-ins, either this room has one problem or the other. It's either the room is not big enough or the bathroom is not big enough, or I don't even have network in the room at all. Like, it was just a lot, and finally I got a room that is at least better. I almost gave up in this particular room though, because it was just so messy when I met it. It was vacant, and then it was so messy. It was obvious that the people that left the room really messed it up, because I don't know, it wasn't something I could do alone. Trust me, I didn't have roommates then. I was the only person in the room because I made the room vacant, so I had to call a cleaner to help me clean up the room. That was how I was able to manage the room. Mind you, I was able to do all these findings and check-ins because I resumed on time, and there were a lot of vacancies, of course. So don't think you would resume late and you would have chance to do all these ones. Any room they give to you, you're going to take it like that too. Fine girl, fine boy. I've just been talking. I've actually lost track of the video. So this is me arranging my cupboard. I don't like to put so much things in the cupboard, so when I open it, it doesn't look like it wants to chase me away. I like to leave my cupboard spacious so that once I open it, I am able to like see everything in the cupboard. So I just put the very important things that I will be needing in the cupboard, and the rest will remain in my bag. When I need them, I take it from my bag, because why not? At this point, I was done arranging and I was so tired. I mean, I came to school around 11 and this was around 5. I was so pretty tired, and the next thing was food. I and my roommates decided to go downstairs to the hostel kitchen to get spag. That spag didn't even go halfway. Like, you guys are going to see it. This is what my hostel looks like. So we got to the kitchen and this woman was just gisting us. She didn't even know that this is not what I came here for, bruh. There's hunger in the air. Now this is me looking frustrated because I ate and it was like I didn't eat anything, and I and my roommates again decided to go to the cafeteria to get bread because there was no bread in the hostel's tuck shop, so we had to move out that night to get bread. And of course, this is my school's environment. I mean, where would I step out and I won't record the school's environment? I mean, it's giving serenity, it's giving peace, it's giving cool vibe. So we'll be having church service the next day, and I was feeling so tired this day, and I knew the tiredness was going to roll over to the next day, but I had no choice but to plan to go because I don't like missing the school's church service. I mean, for some reason I'm already used to it and I like it. So from the cafeteria we went to my former hostel to get my green card and that of my roommates, some of them. I got back to my room, ate my bread, took my drugs, and I slept.